Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to go over my portfolio really quickly. Probably going to make this video as fast as possible. My portfolio is at 15,837. It was a red day for me, down $600, 3.68%. But after hours, we are recovering a little bit at 0.72%. I actually did get to execute on selling puts today. Three of them did get executed, so I only got credited $3 out of the 60. And that sucks because if it was more consistent, I would be able to make more money weekly, maybe like around anywhere from $110 to $220 every week if it was able to execute, if there was enough volume. But there isn't enough volume on ACB for me to be able to get in consistently. I'll try again tomorrow and see if I can get some more premiums for it. My put actually was down a lot in total. We're down 66%, but it did recover a little bit today, 10%, just $35. I'm still holding on. As I see it right now, the markets to me are priced to perfection, meaning if we see any little thing that might complicate, whether it being that another spike in cases, then I'll see probably will see the markets correct more. But as I see it now, as long as everything keeps on track, which I doubt will happen, the markets will continue to go back up. And that's exactly what's been going on. As long as everything's going to plan, then the markets will continue to go up. If we see something crazy happen out of nowhere, we might see a correction. But even with the oil, what's been going on with oil, the markets still keep going up. Even with I believe almost over 20% unemployment, the market still goes up. Even with all these companies going out of business, the markets still keep on going up. And the way I'm seeing it is all these tech companies are the ones that are thriving in this, and everything else is basically getting wrecked. That's why I'm seeing most of my portfolio is doing pretty well, even though the markets have been not doing that good, even though I believe it should be way worse than it is. As you see, Square's at $62. I'm up 8.24%. My average cost is at 57, so I'm up $5 per share on this. Facebook at 188. I'm up $16 per share. My average cost is 172. I'm up 9.52%. Nvidia is at 292. Right now it was close to 300 or around 300 the other day. And I'm basically up almost $100 per share on this one, up 51%. Tesla at 775. It did have a nice run up this week, up 10.33%. I believe once Tesla does its earnings, I believe it will go down. I don't think it's going to go up anymore. This quarter, the earnings for this quarter, it seems like the markets don't care about the earnings right now. I believe the next earnings will determine how the stock market does for the foreseeable future, because we all pretty much predict that every single company is not going to do well this earnings. But the next earnings, if companies do worse than this one or do just as bad, I believe that the markets will go down more, and this will take a while for it to go back up to 52-week highs or all-time highs, in which will be better for us investors, long-term investors, because we will be able to save up more money for the next coming months and be able to invest our money at lower lows, which is good. Uber's at $30.26. I'm still down in this position, just 6.63%, which is not good at all. The stock was at $14 at the lowest point. Roku's at $120. My average cost is $112. I'm up $8 per share on this, up 6.99%. IIPR down huge on this, down 24.16%. Every time I go to my cannabis companies, I just extremely red. Aurora Cannabis down basically $1 per share, and I have 5,000 shares, so I'm down about 5,000 on this, $5,182, and I'm slowly gaining that money back by selling premiums. It might take like 2 years if it stays around this price, which I believe it won't. In the next 2 years, I believe this company can only go up. Canopy Growth at $16.90. I'm only down 25.4%. It's not that bad considering what's been going on. And the lows of this one was at under $10, so Canopy's been recovering pretty good. AMD at $53. My average cost is 41. I'm up 12 bucks per share, up 29% on this. Apple is at 280. I bought at 235. Very good price that in my opinion. It's up 18.9%. Shopify, it's at 640. Crazy. It's up 640. I'm up $300 per share, up 89.35%. Microsoft's at 172. I bought at 137, up 25.32%. As I said before, ultimate goal for me to get 100 shares of Apple, 100 shares of Microsoft. That's the ultimate goal. Planet Fitness is at 60 bucks, and I don't believe it's open yet. It's at $60 and it hasn't been open. That's just insane to me. Insanity. I'm 27.5% on this. And that's just a little quick update for you guys. Let me know how you guys are doing in the markets. Please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.